Hello students, in the last video we learned about first type of terrestrial plants, plants in the plains. Today we are going to study about mountains, deserts, coastal areas and marshlands. Let us first learn about second type of terrestrial plants, plants in deserts. Some areas receive very little rainfall in a year. These habitats can be hot or cold. A place that receives very little rainfall is called a desert. Plants here have to adapt to very little water that is available. Students, tell me, which is the most common plant found in the desert? Yes, cactus. In cactus, the leaves are reduced to spines which prevent loss of water. Water is stored in their stems. Hence, the stems are fleshy and have a thick waxy skin. The green stem takes care of photosynthesis. Cacti have different types of roots. In some plants, the roots go deep into the ground in search of water. In many plants, the roots that spread out just under the surface of the soil. Other plants that grow in deserts are date palms and mesquite bush. The third type of terrestrial plants, plants in mountains. The climate can be very cold on mountains. Trees growing on mountains are tall, straight, and have a cone shape so that snow can easily slide off their branches. The leaves are needle shaped with a waxy coating to prevent loss of water. Many trees do not have flowers. Instead, they have cones which contain the seeds. Examples are oak, maple, pine, spruce, cedar, and fir. The fourth type of terrestrial plants, plants in coastal areas. Areas near the coast have a wet and windy climate. The soil is sandy and the water is salty. Example, coconut tree. The trees are tall with hard, round trunks. The leaves are waterproof and the entire leaf is cut into strips. The roots are long and spread wide. The fifth type of terrestrial plants, plants in marshlands. Some areas are waterlogged and are called marshlands. Here we find plants that can survive in water-filled soil that has little air. Grasses and sundari trees are some plants found in marshlands. Such plants are called mangroves. Plants have roots that grow up and come out of the water to breathe. These roots take in air and carry it to the stems, roots and leaves. They are called breathing roots. So, students, let us revise what we have learned today. Plants in deserts, plants in mountains, plants in coastal areas, and plants in marshlands. Thank you.